Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to improve your dressing sense. Developing a great personal style is a skill anyone can learn. It's not something you are born with. We'll start by looking at your current wardrobe. Identify the clothes you genuinely like and feel good in. Then, we'll focus on building a strong foundation with versatile, high-quality basic pieces that will serve as the backbone of your new look. Next, let's talk about the absolute most important aspect of looking good: fit. Clothes that fit your body properly will instantly elevate your appearance and boost your confidence. Avoid garments that are too baggy or too tight, as they can make an outfit look sloppy or uncomfortable. Investing in tailoring for off-the-rack items can make a huge difference, transforming them into pieces that look custom-made for you. Now, let's add some flair with color and accessories. Start with a foundation of neutral colors like black, gray, navy, and white. These are incredibly versatile. Then, strategically add brighter colors through accessories like a vibrant tie, a patterned pocket square, or even colorful socks. Don't underestimate the power of accessories. A quality watch, a well-matched belt, or stylish sunglasses can significantly enhance your overall look. Finally, it's time to cultivate your unique personal style. Look for inspiration from people whose style you admire, but always adapt it to suit your own personality and daily life. Don't be afraid to experiment with new textures and combinations. This is how you'll discover what truly makes you feel confident. Remember, proper clothing care, like correct washing and storage, is essential for maintaining your wardrobe and ensuring your clothes always look their best.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.